I'm about to go head up Bear Creek Overlook, go out, do some hiking. It's only about 2-mile trail. It's a nice sunny day out. It's quite the drive up the trail by the look of it, or a short drive, whatever. But it looks like it should be good fun. And yeah, looking forward to exploring a bit more of Montana and just enjoying this glorious valley. All right, let's head out.
I was worried for a second that I wasn't on the right track, but that sign confirms it. It's all good. Right, here we go. Just over a mile to go up the track. It hasn't been too bad so far, but some of the reviews said it gets a bit hairy, so we'll see what comes of it. Slightly intimidating. Four-wheel drive's on. Four-wheel drive auto was a bit dodge. It was the back was skidding out. Don't particularly want to do that on the edge of a mountain. Yeah, but I put it in 4 high. I don't know if that's right, but it seems to be gripping better. Yeah, we'll go from there. Right, I've probably got way more stuff than you need for a hike like this, but got some binoculars, camera, drone, and a few other camera bits and snacks and what have you, water. Oh, and bear spray. Yeah, need some of that, just in case. So the trail gets up to about just over 7,000 feet, a lot more than us English people are usually used to. So yeah, should be interesting. Okay, so we're on the last leg, just a little bit longer to go. Highest point I've ever been by about 1,000 feet, which is pretty cool. And just trumped the highest point in England I've ever been by about 2,000 feet, so that's pretty good. A little bit out of breath, definitely not used to it, but it's good. It's a gorgeous hike, nice sunny day, and I'm looking forward to seeing the view at the top. Let's get it. So I've just been flying the drone around for a while. Got some fantastic shots. It's something else here. It's difficult to capture it, but I think this new drone actually does a pretty good job at least. And I got some pretty funny footage of a chipmunk just running around. Came that close to coming up to me. Got some video on my phone, so that's pretty funny. But yeah, there's a high point just there, so I'm gonna go hike up there now. It's not far, it's like 200 yards. Have a look up there, and then head off in about 30 minutes. Let's do it. And we're heading back down. Excellent. Nice. So yeah, that was a hike done. Hopefully got some good footage out of that. Obviously would have shown it already, I guess, but yeah. Right, so now I've got to go over to a friend's house smelling like a sheep that just ran through a bog. Brilliant. Hear me. Yeah.